The journey of success. We all face challenges in life, whether it's learning something new, overcoming fears, or working toward our dreams. But it's not the challenges that defines us, it's how we handle them. This story is about the journey of overcoming obstacles and finding success step by step. Let's begin the journey together. Everyone faces challenges, but it's the first step that can be the hardest. Many people feel afraid when they try something new, whether it's learning a language, starting a new job, or moving to a new place. The first step is always the biggest. One of the hardest things about learning something new is making mistakes. Many people feel embarrassed or scared to get something wrong, but mistakes are normal. Every time we make a mistake, we learn something important. When we keep trying, we start to feel more confident. Confidence doesn't come in one day. It's something that grows little by little with each small success. If you practice every day, you'll feel better about what you are doing. Sometimes, even when we try our best, we feel like giving up. Maybe you study hard but you don't see progress. Maybe you don't understand something after trying many times. It's okay to feel discouraged, it's part of the process. When things get difficult, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Sometimes it's hard to ask someone for support, but teachers, friends, and family are there to help us grow. Nothing worth learning is easy. Whether you're learning to speak English, play an instrument, or do well in school, practice is the key. Even 10 minutes of practice each day can make a big difference over time. It's easy to look at others and feel like they are better or faster at learning something, but everyone's journey is different. Comparing yourself to others will only make you feel worse. Focus on your progress and you'll be happier. Every small achievement matters. Did you understand a new word today? That's a victory. Did you ask a question in English? That's a victory too. Celebrate these small wins because they add up. Sometimes, after a lot of progress, it feels like you hit a wall. You stop improving or feel stuck. This happens to everyone. The important thing is to keep going. Don't let the wall stop you from moving forward. We don't have to face challenges alone. Support from friends, teachers, or even online communities can give us the motivation to keep going. They can remind us that we're not alone in our struggles. If something isn't working, it's okay to change your approach. Maybe you need to try a different study method, break tasks into smaller pieces, or take more breaks. Changing the way you learn can bring new energy. Everyone loses motivation sometimes. When you don't feel like working, remind yourself why you started. Maybe you want to travel, get a better job, or speak with new people. Your goals can give you the push you need. No one is perfect, and that's okay. It's important to remember that mistakes don't mean failure. Accepting that we will never be perfect can take away the pressure and allow us to enjoy the learning process. Sometimes we forget how far we've come. Take a moment to look back at your progress. What were you like when you started? What have you learned since then? Reflecting on your growth can give you the motivation to keep going. Even after reaching one goal, the journey doesn't end. There are always new challenges to face and new things to learn. Each challenge makes us stronger and brings us closer to success. The journey to success is not always easy, but every challenge we face helps us grow. Whether it's learning a new language, gaining new skills, or overcoming fears, progress comes one step at a time. The important thing is to never give up, even when things get hard. Mistakes teach us valuable lessons, and every small victory brings us closer to our goals. Remember, success is not about being perfect. It's about staying determined and continuing to move forward, no matter how difficult the road may seem. The moral of the story is simple. Challenges are opportunities. Each one is a chance to learn, grow, and become stronger. Keep going, keep believing, and you will achieve your dreams. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like, click on subscribe, and share for more great content. Keep learning, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.